All right, so we're getting ready to get a set of snows off of this vehicle and put the summers on. Like I've mentioned before, you get on the back of these aluminum wheels, you get all this corrosion and buildup and stuff on here. That's no good. You want to get this stuff all off of here so that you make sure you're going to maintain a good fitment there between the wheel surface and the hub face and everything. So we're going to take it off and we're going to make them look like this. So I've just finished doing this one here. It's all nice and clean. And then what I'm going to do before I put these on, I'm going to take a little bit of spray of white lithium spray grease, and I'm just going to give that just a quick shot, and hopefully that will keep it from going again. And so how we're doing this is using a, well, this one's all worn out. I'll show you a good one as soon as I get finished with this one. This one's pretty much done, but when I get finished with this wheel, we'll show you what you got. And you don't apply any pressure to this. You just let the thing work at it. And it's as easy as that. I'm applying no pressure at all. I'm just letting it work away at it, and it's doing good. Some of the other wheels I've come across, they have a great big buildup on there, and sometimes you might have to get in there with a screwdriver or something and scratch it off, but generally not. Generally, this method works pretty good. All right, working away at the next wheel here. Same thing. Okay, so it's important to note that this is not removing any aluminum at all of the wheel face. It's just knocking off that corrosion buildup. A lot of that is because the aluminum doesn't rust, right? It corrodes, but this is looking all rusty. So that's coming off of the rotors and the drums on the vehicle there. So it happens all the time, and these wheels haven't been cleaned off by the previous people doing this, so you shouldn't be getting that much of a buildup on there. All right, perfect. We'll get to the last one here. All right, I'm going to keep working away at this one. It only takes a minute. All right, I got all 4 of these done, and they all came out great. Nothing to it. Only takes you, honestly, it takes probably 1 minute per wheel here with one of these in the end of your drill here. So we got one of these here type of things. This is a brand new one. Gonna swap over to that one probably in the next day or so. Anyway, polycarbide abrasive wheel. It's basically I don't know, it's like a whole bunch of stiff plastic that's just kind of all epoxied together in there or whatever, and it just looks like steel wool, but it's all plastic. Eats that stuff right off. No big deal. And then we're going to grab some where is it? Gonna grab some polyethylene spray grease, or not polyethylene, I'm sorry, white lithium. We're gonna grab that, and we're just give them all a shot like this. Nothing to it, and that's it. And hopefully that's gonna keep things from corroding on there too much more. So anyway, this has to get done. You cannot leave that stuff in there. Wheels will work themselves loose and come off when they have all that mess in there. That stuff has to be all cleaned out. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you got a little bit of something out of this. Stay safe out there. Get the wheels on good.